All right, what's going on, guys? Give me 1 second while I finish setting up. It's 10:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here where I am located, and my camera guy is not in the studio right now. So I am trying to connect my cameras properly. So please give me some time. Hope you guys are doing well. On this session, essentially, we're going to be going over. I hope you all can hear me pretty well. Let's see. Yeah, we should be good. So in this session, we are going to be going over a couple of trades. I'm going to be breaking them down literally from top to bottom for you guys, and also giving you guys my insight on what could possibly happen next on a couple of assets. We'll be looking at gold. And essentially, I'll be going through a regular midweek check-in with my mentorship students, right? Everyone else who is on the YouTube live, you guys may hear me go mute a couple of times if I am going to answer a question for one of my students. Here, let's see. Sorry about the wait, guys. I am just setting up my cameras so we can get started with the live stream. Let's see. Is this going to work? Okay. Now we're going to go to done. And done. As you guys can probably see, I am not a genius with all the technical stuff. So shout out to our camera guy for being able to do all of this. I really appreciate him. And I feel it when he is not in the studio with me. So just hang in there with me, guys, as I figure this out. I'm pretty sure everything is good to go. I don't know what the issue is. Or so I thought. Here, let's see. All right, solid. While we are doing that, we're also going to have, as I stated before, we're also going to have our mentorship students on the live as well. And hopefully we don't crash everything. You know what? Maybe we shouldn't connect to the camera. Maybe we won't connect the camera, guys, just so we don't crash everything. I'm thinking that might be the best idea. All right, let's see. All right, so it doesn't look like we're gonna connect the camera, so you guys won't be able to see me, but it's all good. We're gonna go ahead and get it started because it is a little late. Now, why am I a little late to the session? So I was moving my sister back to, I was moving my little sister back to school, and she texted me and she was like, hey, can you please cancel whatever you have going on, and can you please help me move in? So you guys know me being the big brother that I am, I couldn't say no. I really want to connect the camera because it's like, what's the point of having these cameras if we cannot connect them? Hold on 1 second, guys. Let's see. I don't know what the issue is. Here, let's see if this works. 1 second, guys. All right, one last try. Let's see if it works. And if it does not, then so be it. All right, doesn't look like it's gonna work. Anyways, we're gonna hop right into it, starting with GBP USD. Okay, so what trade? Let's go over what we're looking at. So since that's not gonna work, we're just gonna get rid of this here. Perfect. So then you guys can just see the full screen, and we're all good to go. Now, what I'm also going to do is we're gonna do this really quickly, because I want to show you guys. Let's see. I want to show you guys this. Okay, so this was the before on GBP USD. Now, why is this our point of interest? Can you guys see my mouse? I hope you guys can see my mouse. Yeah, we should be good to go. So why was this our point of interest here? So essentially, this is the before. You guys can see, looking for M5 sell entry schematics. We'll go over that in just a second. And then we're looking for price to roll over, tap into this low here, right? Let's go back to this main chart here. Let's go to the H4 time frame and let's talk about it. All right, and let's also get rid of this. As well, because this is not what we use the forecast tool for. Okay, solid. So why was this my point of interest that I was looking for price to possibly run into and trade from? So if we just go ahead and clear this chart here, okay, so we can see within this area, obviously we took sells from this region here, right? We took profit on those sells down here within this area. Now here, this entire down move here, okay, that we see before we have this nice up move here, okay, that also breaks this swing low and leaves imbalance within the market here. Okay, this essentially is our bearish order block. Okay, it depends on what time frame you're on. Let's go to the daily actually. Let's see if we can see it a little better on the daily time frame. Not necessarily, I wouldn't say so. Let's see the 8-hour time frame. Possibly. And let's go ahead and highlight that as well so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's highlight that area. Let's go to the 8-hour time frame. This is good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Here we go. So this here. Okay, we can see that this is the last bearish pressure that comes into the market, right? This is, let's see, this high is 286 and this is 298. So this is your swing high here, okay, with two lower highs on both sides. Let's go ahead and move this. And let's actually do this. There we go. So this is your swing high here. Okay, that swing high gets broken, and I'm going somewhere with this, guys. Just keep up. All right. Our break of our swing high is here with this nice move to the upside. We also leave imbalance within the market here. Okay. As you guys can see, we're definitely expecting some type of reaction when price trades back into this wick here. Okay, as we can see, right? Price trades into this area here. We have a bullish reaction, And this is obviously what I'm paying attention to, okay? And now I'm going to break down to you guys why. So we trade into our demand area here, okay? Nice. Trade into it. Small rejection or reaction and failed reaction. Perfect. All right, so now you guys understand why we have confluence here. Okay, we're reacting to a previous... Ooh, let's put that back. We're reacting to a previous point of interest, which is here. All right, so let's go back down to the H4 time frame. So this here is your entire order block. All right, this is the wick on the 8H time frame. Okay, but this entire area, this is the wick of the 8H candle, and these two here, this is the body. Okay, as we just saw here. Perfect. So wick and body, and then of course the wick to the downside, which is still this wick here, right? So this entire area here is an order block. Now, why is this an order block? Well, this is a valid order.